Okay, let's draw something. Oh, this kind of look like her head. This is her shoulder. This is her another shoulder. Or her boob. So I'm thinking it's like morning. Her dog tried to wake her up. One dog is here licking her face, and one dog is here try to poke her quail. Like this one gonna be a white dog, and this one gonna be that golden
retriever.
Golden retriever. I just gonna try to draw it. I don't care. It's very morning. Her hair gonna be really messy, like this. Not gonna be this messy. You guys know when dogs try to lick your face, it's not like they try to kiss you. It's because they are trying to take some salt from your sweat. Yeah, that's a knowledge you're never gonna need. Shit, I forgot to take a video for a long time. Okay, just realized this emotion is way too horny. Oh dear. Okay, that's not. Yes, I'm gonna change it. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for this vibe. Yeah, this is a good wake up emotion. Can I go too far? So far, so good. I need to go feed my dog. Be right back. If you don't eat breakfast, you're gonna throw up after. Come on, eat the food. Eat the food. Eat. Eat the food. shit, I forgot to take a video again. Well, let's just see how I make this town become pink, I guess. No. Like this, that's too pink. That's too colorful. Something like this, I guess. Little bit yellow. Yeah. Okay, almost finished. I just keep forget took video. Yeah, let's add some shadow. That seems nice. Yeah, I can go for this. Yeah, add my watermark here. Finish! Finally. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. This is my first time trying to seriously making a video like this. So hope you like it. And if you like it, maybe consider to subscribe me and maybe follow me on Twitter. So yeah, thank you and see you.